Okay, so today we are doing 2-9, which is percent increase or decrease. Okay, so what I want you to really think about is that you have a new amount, and that can be an amount of money, a number of people, anything like that. And you're trying to find out the difference between your new amount and the original amount. And then you're going to compare it to the original amount. Okay? So if you really just think of N-O over O. So just think of no. Okay? So here's an example. In our class at the beginning of the year, we had 20 students. And now we have 22. Okay? So at the beginning of the year is going to be our original amount. And our new amount are the 22 students. Makes sense, right? So we're going to find the difference between our original amount and our new amount. So just think about, first of all, are we increasing or decreasing? Do we get more students or do we have some students go away? So we have more students, so we know that we're going to be increasing or going up, right? So now we just need to find our percentage that we're increasing by. So our new amount is 22, our original amount was 20, and our original amount was 20. So 22 minus 20 is 2, divided by 20. Since I'm finding a percent, I'm going to make it easy on myself. Put this over 100. And to get from 20 to 100, you're going to multiply by 5. So I do the same thing on the top, and I get 10. And since we are the percent masters now, we know that 10 over 100 equals a 10%. And since we went up, it's going to be a 10% increase. Okay? Let's do one more example. So say I had $500 in my bank account in June, and I have $400 in my bank account as of October. Okay? So I want to find the percent increase or decrease. So think about, first of all, do I have more money now than I had in June, or do I have less money? And I have less, so I'm going to decrease that. It's decreasing, I know that. And my new amount is 400. My original amount was 500. And my original amount was 500. So now some of you are going to say, oh, but Miss V, I can't do 400 minus 500. Again, just think about the difference. Look at how much less you have. We have $100 less. If I do that math, what that gives me is negative 100. And I know that we haven't really done negative numbers yet, but logically that makes sense, right? We went down $100. So $100 over 500. And you can just put decreasing, that's fine. And let's figure out if we can change that into a percentage. Okay, that's one way we could do it. We could change that back to 100. So 500 divided by something gives us 100, and that's divided by 5. So I'm just going to divide 100 by 5, and I'll get 20. So this was a 20% decrease. That's it. Really not too hard. Okay, thanks.